MP3 Google Analytics Advanced Accounts, focusing on identify and optimize poor performing pages, Part 2. Our first approach we looked at was the dollar index value of a page. The dollar index is the average value for a page that a user visited before landing on the goal page or completing an e-commerce transaction, or both. This value is intended to give you an idea of which page in your site contributed more to your site's revenue. Of course, these pages should be within your funnel established when creating a goal. Let's anchor the dollar index method with a simple example containing numbers. You have a goal page D worth $10. Remember that you set this value when creating your actual goal. The receipt page E, $100. Unique page view for page B was 1. When you plug in the numbers, page B is worth $110, since a user visits page B only once before the goal page during this session. Next, we look at using top landing pages, i.e. bounce rate, for a method of optimizing poor performing pages. Go to Content, then Top Landing Pages. This will show you the most popular entrance pages for your visitors, and in the far right column, the bounce rate for each. The bounce rate is a key metric. If visitors are entering at the landing page and leaving the site, only viewing that particular page, it's a poor interaction. A page with a high bounce rate, usually 50% or more, means the page's content did not meet the visitor's expectation. Besides searching for page errors, getting insight to the visitor's expectations is required, which means looking at referral details. Navigation summary and entrance path links are not relevant for bounce rate. Rather, use entrance sources and entrance keywords under the landing page optimization section. These refer to the visitor's expectations before arriving at your website. Entrance sources are the referring websites and campaigns that lead visitors to your site, hence search engines, paid advertising, social networks, affiliates, and email links. For any page with high bounce rate, this report allows you to analyze this against the referral source and keyword referrals. If you find referral links with high bounce rates, use Traffic Sources Referring Sites report to check it out further. This will reveal the referring site, and you can view the exact page that visitors click through to arrive at your website. Not unlike the entrance sources, if you have a high bounce rate in the entrance keywords report, it indicates something needs attention in your online marketing. This report affords you the opportunity to build page content around the listed keywords. A keyword could have been used that is ideal but not thought of previously. Let's take a live look within Google Analytics at items that we've covered so far. We begin at the dashboard, and because we're looking at using top landing pages, i.e. bounce rates, for optimizing poorly performing pages, we click on the content link. And in the bottom right section here, landing page optimization area, we have entrance sources and entrance keywords. Those are both relevant to bounce rates. The previous ones were not, because they're not entering and exiting on any other but the same page. So we would click on entrance sources, and we can see where everybody is originating from and look at the bounce rate and accordingly react to those. If it has a higher bounce rate, it warrants attention. Also the lower range as well. Let's go back to the overview, and if you click on entrance keywords, in other words what keywords are driving them to your site, you can actually see that here. Check with the bounce rate, and then follow that keyword and maybe enhance and change your keywords accordingly, as we mentioned in previous slides of this video. Today we covered Identify and Optimize Poorly Performing Pages Part 2. For more information on any item in the series, email Massimo at mpaolini.com.